Look in the mirror right now. See that extra softness under your chin? Here's something doctors don't tell you. That double chin might have nothing to do with your weight. In fact, skinny people get them too. And those expensive surgeries everyone's talking about? You probably don't need them. What if I told you there's a 30-second exercise that dermatologists are now recommending, and it's so effective that patients see results in just 3 weeks? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why that double chin appeared, and more importantly, the scientifically proven tricks to make it disappear without spending thousands on surgery. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you'll want to see what else we uncover. The uncomfortable truth. Let's get real for a second. A double chin isn't just about how you look in photos. It affects how people perceive you at work, how confident you feel on dates. And let's be honest, it can add 5 years to your appearance overnight. Nearly 70 million Americans deal with this right now. You could be at your ideal weight, eat clean, hit the gym 5 times a week, and still have that stubborn fat pocket under your chin. Why? Because weight is only one piece of the puzzle. Your genes play a massive role. If your parents had double chins, you're basically playing genetic roulette. Then there's aging. After 25, your skin starts producing less collagen. That tight jawline you had in your 20s? It's fighting a losing battle against gravity. But the real kicker? Your posture. Right now, you're probably reading this on your phone. Head tilted down, shoulders rolled forward. Doctors call this anterior head carriage, and it's literally pushing fat under your chin forward. 8 hours a day, hunched over a laptop, and your neck muscles are screaming for help. Those weakened muscles can't hold everything tight anymore, so you get sagging skin and that double chin effect. If you're done hiding your jawline behind camera angles, the Ageless Protocol has brought an exclusive discount, available only through the link in the description. Don't let posture, aging, or genetics define your face. The treatment's actually backed by science. Let's talk about what actually works, starting with the FDA-approved heavy hitter, kybella. This isn't some wellness trend your favorite influencer is pushing. It's the only injectable treatment the FDA has cleared specifically for destroying fat under your chin. Doctors inject deoxycholic acid, which is actually a molecule your body already makes to break down dietary fat. When injected under your chin, it destroys those fat cells permanently. Once they're gone, they can't come back. You'll need 2 to 4 sessions spaced about a month apart. Each session runs between $1,500 and $3,000. After treatment, expect swelling and bruising. But here's the payoff. Those results are permanent. Now, if needles make you queasy, coolsculpting might be your answer. They use controlled cooling technology to crystallize the fat under your chin. Your body then naturally eliminates those dead fat cells over the next few weeks. Patients report visible changes in as little as 3 weeks, with fat reduction ranging from 10 to 25% per treatment. The best part? No downtime. You can do this on your lunch break. Then there's M-Face Submentum. This treatment combines radiofrequency energy with high-intensity electrical stimulation. Each session takes 30 minutes. You'll need 4 treatments over about 10 days, and some people see immediate results. The technology targets everything from muscle to skin, tightening as it reduces fat. Ultherapy uses ultrasound energy to stimulate collagen production deep in your skin. This tightening effect lifts and contours the area under your chin. Results appear gradually over 2 to 3 months. You'll need 1 to 2 sessions at $1,500 to $3,000 each. The free method that's changing the game. Here's where things get really interesting. Face yoga. Northwestern University researchers had participants do face yoga exercises over 20 weeks. Dermatologists evaluated them before and after. The results? They looked up to 3 years younger, with noticeably firmer jawlines and fuller cheeks. Face yoga works by strengthening the muscles under your skin. Your face has 57 muscles. When you target the ones around your chin and neck, they act like resistance training, creating a supportive structure that lifts sagging skin. Let me walk you through the most effective exercises. First, the chin scoop. Sit up straight. Tilt your head back slightly, keeping your lips together. Push your lower jaw forward like you're scooping something up. Hold it for 5 seconds. Do this 10 times. Next, the ceiling kiss. Tilt your head back and look straight up. Keep your lips together, then pucker them up like you're trying to kiss the ceiling. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 15 times, twice a day. The ball squeeze. Get a small rubber ball. Place it under your chin. Press down on it with your chin while squeezing gently with your neck. Release. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. The jaw jut. Sit straight. Turn your head to the right. Push your lower jaw forward and hold for 5 seconds. Switch to the left side. Do 10 reps on each side. This targets the platysma muscle, which runs from your jaw down your neck. Last one, chin tapping. Use the back of your hand to tap rapidly under your chin. Keep your fingers loose and flick them upward. This boosts blood circulation and helps drain fluid buildup. The key with face yoga? Consistency. Most people see real results within 4 to 6 weeks of daily practice. We're talking 10 minutes a day, max. The lifestyle hacks nobody talks about. Let's hit the lifestyle factors that can make or break your results. First, fix your posture. Stand up right now. Roll your shoulders back. Tuck your chin slightly and extend your head back. Feel that? Your jawline just got more defined instantly. When you slouch, you're creating that double chin effect artificially. If you work at a desk, get your monitor at eye level. Consider a standing desk. Every hour, do neck stretches. Tilt your head back. Hold for 10 seconds. Bring it forward. Hold again. Diet matters, but not in the way you expect. You can't spot reduce fat, but you can reduce overall body fat, and eventually, your chin area will slim down too. Eating whole foods, lots of vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats will support overall fat loss. Here's a weird trick. Chewing gum. Chewing works the muscles in your jaw and face. Sugar-free gum is key here. Moderate chewing throughout the day might help tone those muscles. Hydration is underrated. When you're dehydrated, your body holds on to water, especially in your face. This puffiness can make a double chin look worse. Drink enough water, and you'll naturally reduce that swollen appearance. Face massage and gua sha tools can help reduce fluid retention and inflammation around your jaw. Use the tool to gently massage from your neck up toward your jawline. Do this for a few minutes each day. What to expect and when. Let's set realistic expectations. If you go the treatment route with kybella or coolsculpting, you're looking at visible results in 3 to 6 weeks, with full results after multiple sessions. These treatments destroy fat permanently. Face yoga and exercises require more patience. Most people notice changes around the 4 to 6 week mark with daily practice. These methods are free, have zero side effects, and actually improve your overall facial muscle tone. The lifestyle changes, particularly posture correction, can give you immediate visual improvements. Fix your posture right now, and your jawline looks better instantly. Make it a habit, and those muscles strengthen over time. The best approach combines methods. If you've got the budget, a professional treatment like kybella gives you that fat reduction. Pair it with daily face yoga to keep muscles strong and skin tight. Add in posture correction and healthy lifestyle habits, and you're attacking the problem from every angle. Your action plan starts now. So here's what you do today. Stand in front of a mirror. Check your posture. Fix it right now. Second, pick 3 face yoga exercises from the ones I mentioned. Do them today. Set a phone reminder for tomorrow. Build the habit. Third, drink more water. If you're serious about professional treatments, book consultations. Ask about kybella, coolsculpting, or radiofrequency options. Get pricing. See before and after photos. Make an informed choice. Your double chin didn't appear overnight, and it won't disappear overnight either. But with consistent effort, whether through professional treatments, face yoga, or lifestyle changes, you can absolutely reduce or eliminate it. The Ageless Protocol now has a discount just for our viewers. Click the link below before the offer ends and start restoring that sharp, confident jawline you thought was gone. If you found this helpful and want more content that cuts through the noise and gives you real, actionable information, subscribe to our channel. We're here every week breaking down exactly what works and what doesn't. Click that bell so you never miss an upload. Your future self with that defined jawline will thank you.